Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and yes, I am finally going to be announcing the giveaway for the shifter knob. I know you guys have all been waiting very patiently for it. As you guys can tell though, I'm back at my home shop here, and today we're not working on the truck. I just stopped by to visit. I actually brought my my Duramax up here. We are going to be doing some stuff to the Dirty Max, and I kind of bought it as a toy, to tell you the truth. I got it, I needed another pickup truck, so I went out and got this, and now we're gonna be having some fun with it. But let me come back in the shop here real quick. But we've got the Dirty Max up in here, getting a little bit of work done to it, and gonna have some fun with it, make it a toy. But guys, the biggest reason that I am coming on here is so that way we can see who the winner of the shifter knob is. So as you guys can see, we had 1,403 entries into this. That was pretty good for my first giveaway. I'm excited. Thank you guys very much for getting involved in this. There will be more giveaways in the future, so don't think that this is the only one. I'm gonna do a lot more of these. But guys, 1,403, let's go ahead and see who the winner is gonna be. This is a big day for me. And the winner is Tim Shaw. Tim Shaw out of Cleveland, Ohio. Congratulations, buddy. You are the winner. I will be mailing that out to you as soon as you get back to me in the email. I'll be emailing you here in a couple minutes, and as soon as you get back to me with your address, I will email it out to you. But as for the rest of you guys, thank you guys for the support and the continued support, and I will be announcing another giveaway here very shortly. So, but if you guys actually want to see more than the trucking and see what we're going to do to this beast right here, see what kind of stuff we're gonna do to it and have a little bit of fun with it. Like I said, I want to base my channel and keep it about trucking and everything, but I also want to show you guys, I get a lot of questions about what I do when I'm home on my off time, stuff like that. If you guys want to see what I'm doing outside of work, leave a comment, let me know, and I will show you guys a little bit outside of what I'm doing for work. You know, I'll show you guys a little bit of my more fun life. But guys, once again, thank you guys for all the continued support, and until the next video, I'll see y'all in the next one.